Good evening, everybody. This is just a quick update on a cold front that is moving into the area and may trigger a few isolated showers or thunderstorms. As of 4:15 this afternoon, sky cover remains partly to mostly cloudy across much of the area, and a line of rain showers that moved through the area earlier knocked our temperatures down into the 70s. Even though dew points are near 70, this indicates that the atmosphere is only weakly to moderately unstable since the temperature is lower. If the temperature was closer to, say, the upper 80s or near 90, we would have some better instability. So if any shower or thunderstorm tries to develop right out ahead of the trigger, which is a cold front west of our area, it'll have a really hard time intensifying at all or even really maintaining much strength as it moves into southeastern Michigan. Even though the wind difference between the surface and 500 millibar layer, which is about 5.5 to 6 kilometers roughly, is about 30 to 35 knots, or about 35 to 40 miles per hour, which in any type of atmospheric environment where you have higher instability, that would be very adequate wind shear for the updrafts to sustain possibly supercellular updrafts. But if you only have about 1,000, 1,500 joules per kilogram of energy in these types of situations, you need a little more shear to really increase the severe potential. So yeah, it would definitely have to be higher to sustain any severe weather. However, if we had the steeper lapse rates and higher surface temperatures, I mean, there'd be more energy, and then maybe the Storm Prediction Center slight risk area would verify. I was very surprised that they kept Michigan in the slight risk area with the 20Z update or the 4 o'clock update. But I mean, there is some higher instability off to our north, up in the Thumb area, where they saw more sunshine. They're in the 80s with dew points in the upper 60s. And there was actually an unconfirmed report of a water spout apparently on Saginaw Bay, as well as stronger wind gusts and maybe even some hail up there. But as far as far southern Michigan and extreme southeastern Michigan, I'm only expecting isolated showers or thunderstorms to about 20, maybe 30% coverage, so there's a better chance that you'll stay dry this evening than not. Otherwise, slightly cooler and less humid weather will then be coming in tomorrow behind the cold front, so that will definitely be a relief to some. Well, thank you for viewing this video update. More text updates on Facebook later on, and something should change. Good evening.